Hi everybody, this is David with Guitar Lab. Today we're here for lesson number 2, how to read guitar tablature. So if you missed lesson number 1 and you've never held a guitar before, it might be worth going back to check that out. We learned all the basics that get us up to where we are right now. So reading guitar tablature, there's a couple different ways to read sheet music. We can read standard notation. It's a little more complicated and it can take maybe a couple months to learn how to read it and get proficient at it. In some situations that might work out well if you're maybe playing in a church and that's the only type of sheet music they have. But standard guitar tablature is extremely common and most guitar music is going to come in that form for you. So with no further ado, let's get started on how to read that. I'm going to put our first worksheet up here, and that's going to be the 6 lines showing the different 6 strings of the guitar. Now tablature looks a little bit backwards. You'll see that the bottom line is the low E string. And for us, that's going to be up on the top. So it might feel a little weird, but you get used to it pretty quick. So let's go ahead and play that low E string. And we see that that's the line I have noted. And the second line up on the guitar tablature, which will be our second string going downward, is the A string. And then you'll see the D string being highlighted. Next we'll see the line for the G string. And then fifth we have the line for the B string. And then last, up on top, we have the line for the high E string. So each of those lines represent one string of the guitar. And the way we read notes is we put a number on the line, and that represents which fret box we push down in on. So for example, I'm going to put up the number 1 on the low E string. So when we see that, it means I'm going to go to my low E string, and I'm going to push down in the first fret box and play E1. Next, we would see an E2 right after that. And then we might see an E3. Now, if the 1, 2, 3 is already there, what I'm going to do is read it from left to right. First play the 1, then play the 2, and then play the 3. Now, if we ever need to just play the string by itself, we're going to be looking at a 0. And that means no frets being pushed down, just the string all by itself. So those lines, the numbers on the lines could bounce around. We might see a 1, 2, 3 on the low E string, and then it might read next a 1, 2, 3 on, say, the D string. And you'll see that after the 1, 2, 3 on the E, it goes to the 1, 2, 3 on the D. And just like when we read a book, we read from left to right and we play whatever note comes in order. So we're going to try a real simple exercise to do a basic blues rhythm on the guitar. So putting that worksheet up, let's take a look at these 4 notes. The first thing we see is an E0. So with my pick, I'm going to play that low E0. The second note we see is an A2. So I'm going to go to the A string, push on the 2nd fret, and then with my pick, play that note. The third note that we see, E0 again. And then the last note is going to be the A string 4th fret. Now this is a great exercise, and it does sound like blues when you can bring it up to tempo. So if we just start nice and easy, notice that I'm using 2 different fingers, one for the 2 and one for the 4. Of course, it'll still work if I move one finger, but 2 fingers is going to make it much easier and you're getting twice the exercise. And the faster we bring that up to tempo, we get this fun little blues rhythm. Right? And just as a side note, something that you can do to make it more interesting, shift down to the next 2 strings and try the exact same rhythm. So the A string would have the 0, the D string would have the 2, and the A0 again, and then the D4. You can have some fun going back and forth. So now that we have the general idea of how to read guitar tablature, let's try out a real basic song, something that we can always whip the guitar out and play for somebody on this special occasion. We're going to learn how to play Happy Birthday. And we're going to play this one on the high E string. So we're going all the way down to our high E string. And you'll see the first set of numbers that we have is 0, 0, 2, 0. Right? And this is what that looks like. 0, 0, push on the 2, back to the 0. Then we're going to come up to the 5th fret, play that note, down to the 4. So let's repeat that first sequence. Now that'll be hard to do fast at the beginning. You can always pause this and practice that spot for a moment. But let's look at the second piece of the song now. Starts off the same way, 0, 0, 2, 0. Now though, we're coming way up here to the 7th fret. And then we're going to play the 5. Now a little tip to find 7 and 5 nice and quickly. You notice that there are these little markers, the little dots. They're called inlays on the guitar. And you'll also have the little dots on the top of the neck. And most guitars will have 3, 5, 7, 9, and a double dot on the 12. Not all guitars have the 3, but the 7 and the 5, definitely you should have those. So now we've gone through the second piece of the song. Let's look at the third and final piece on this one. We're going to start off with another 0, 0. Way up here to the 12, down to the 9, way down to the 5, 4, and then 2, and up to the 10. We're going to play 2 of these, down to the 9, down to the 5, up to the 7, and then finish on the 5. All right, and we just practice all of these pieces separately until we can bring it up to tempo. It should sound like this. There we go, and we're ready for anybody's birthday, a little surprise. All right, well, hopefully today we understood the process of how to read guitar tablature. In lesson 3, we'll probably try a few more exercises and song pieces to get more acquainted with tablature and get a little better at reading it. So if you like today's lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for lesson number 3. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great day.